Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Medely Healthcare Shifts app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Medely is a healthcare staffing app designed to help nurses and allied health professionals find and book per-diem shifts and short-term assignments. Unlike traditional staffing agencies, Medely allows clinicians to browse available shifts, view pay rates upfront, and apply instantly, all without long phone calls or recruiter delays. It's available on both iOS and Android and connects professionals directly with hospitals, outpatient centers, and clinics. The app's main feature is its shift booking system. You can filter opportunities by specialty, location, schedule, and pay. Once you accept a shift, everything from time tracking to payments is handled inside the app. Medely also includes credential management tools, reminders for expiring documents, and fast payouts after shift completion. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its transparent pay rates, easy scheduling, and flexibility to pick up shifts that match their availability. The ability to avoid recruiter pressure and manage everything independently is especially valued. Facilities also benefit from fast staffing and verified professionals. However, there are some drawbacks. Shift availability can vary widely depending on your state, specialty, or season. Some users report occasional cancellations from facilities or delays in onboarding verification. Since Medely operates without traditional recruiters, support may feel limited for users who prefer one-on-one assistance. In summary, the Medely app may be worth using if you want flexible scheduling, upfront pay information, and an independent way to pick up healthcare shifts. However, if you prefer guaranteed weekly hours or a recruiter-guided experience, it might not be the ideal fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.